Page 9, 10 little dancers. I guess we have to be politically correct because it used to be 10 little Indians and now we can't do that anymore. It's got to be dancers, I guess. We're not really introducing anything new. We're using the same notes that we were using in page 8 on that lesson. The D and the B and okay. Here, however, they've added words. You see the words going through between the staves? So if you want, you can sing along as you play. Now, I don't sing in the videos, but you're welcome to sing along. It's just, to me, that just makes it a little harder because now, in addition to trying to play all the notes and at the right time and everything, now you're trying to read the words and sing along, and that just, blah. So I don't bother with that. If you want to sing, you go right ahead. I don't care. I can't hear you. It doesn't matter to me, so you do whatever. But don't do the singing, in my opinion, you shouldn't do the singing until after you've learned the piece. Learn the piece first, and then see about singing it. Now the right hand, it's starting on middle C here. The left hand, when it comes in, it has a thumb on D here. So again, we're sort of in this position, and you're going to bring the thumbs up when you need them. Otherwise, you're staying in this position. Don't care for this position. It's a terrible position. But, all right, just getting the point across. We'll do that. So it's like 1 and 2 and. So you got to get that left hand out of the way so you can play it. Because otherwise, the left hand's in the way. Just get it out of the way. Kind of keep it there. Just get it out of the way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then the left hand. Now you get the right hand out of the way. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the right hand comes back. So you go through and learn it. Then go back through and work on those spots where you're hesitating and get rid of them so it's a steady beat. Doesn't matter how fast you go nice and slow if you have to, but it's got to be a steady beat all the way through. No hesitations. Then once you have that okay and you're comfortable with it, come back to the video to play along with me. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it together. Slowly. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 3 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and off.